I came to this camp thinking it's going to be very awkward and I won't be able to make friends. But then it was supposed to be there for 1 hour, but we were dancing for 2-3 hours straight.
My daughter has attended this 5 days program in Geo Institute.
And my experience in the 𝗪𝗪𝗽𝗲 Camp 2.0 was truly incredible.
The first day, we started off with an icebreaker in which the whole challenge was that we pass on a balloon to each other without using hands. It was so fun and we all got to know each other very well after that.
What I really loved about this program is the seamless blend between marketing, AI and pitching, as they are going to be the leading fields for the future.
I take deep interest into entrepreneurship and product development, and therefore those learnings were something that I will keep in my mind throughout my life.
This was my first summer camp and indeed the most memorable one. The lecture was very interesting, the teachers were very motivating as well as inspiring. The accommodation was very comfortable.
My favorite moment would probably be the moment where we went to shoot our commercial in the video studio. It was an amazing exposure, seeing and understanding how the video editing and shooting works.
My best experience was pitching to the jury, as it was like a Shark Tank moment for me to pitch to the jury and get investments for them and bring my creativity and learning to real life.
Memorable moments in this whole session was our field trip at Reliance Corporate Park. We got to learn a lot about retailing and all its components.
And we got a whole tour of the campus. We learned about the new things Geo's gonna make and where it's gonna go and how it's gonna help society.
My favorite moment was when I completed running 5 kilometers at that track, and my favorite lecture was the eSports one by 𝗪𝗪𝗫'. It was absolutely fun and an enriching experience, and I hope to pursue this in my future.
The way they taught us through a practical way, through giving us ideas and then teaching us AI, GenAI, how to advertise, how to use 𝗪𝗪𝗽𝗲.
It was amazing. It helped me think out of the box. The Zumba session was so fun. The teachers were so interactive.
It helps to excel the kid in emotional, social and personal growth. We are very happy that they have taken care of our kids like a family.
I made lots of memories with my new friends and enjoyed in every way I could.
It is a wonderful program she has attended, and I am very, very happy that she got very good insights, very deep insights from this program.
And truly, we got a glimpse of our future.
So would you like to come back? Yes, for sure. Like every year, like till 12th, I'll definitely come back.